Hey everyone, it's Shelly from Shelly Creates It. I'm a crafty creator and a passionate teacher, always up for a new challenge. Today I'm making some shop small tees using DTF or direct to film transfers. Let's get creative together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to join me on this 25-day creative adventure. All right, here's my mock-up. I just have to turn these into this. All right, guys, today's sponsor is Freestyle Tees or Freestyle Designs, and you can use the link in the description to get 10% off your first purchase. They do ship, but if you're local to San Antonio, you can go and pick them up. And it looks like he has some Christmas savings, so go check it out. I usually go into the website and do order a DTF transfer by size, and then I pick the size that I need. And he's streamlined his process a lot, so now you can choose your image directly from the listing, add your PNG file, and upload and purchase. He also has a loyalty program, so you'll get points for each purchase. So check it out, freestyletees.com. that's it for day 10 of Vlogmas 2024. Check back tomorrow because I'll be making a gingerbread man, I think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what you're making down below. Go craft a life you love.